Are you familiar with what a business card does? Are you planning on getting a business card but are undecided to which one you should get? Welcome back to CreditWise. We're breaking out the best 6 business credit cards currently on the market for you in this video. Before we do, what exactly is a credit card? A business credit card, as the name suggests, is used for business costs. A business credit card also shows up on a business credit report. A personal credit card, on the other hand, shows up on your personal credit report. When it comes to using a business credit card, it's exactly the same as using a personal credit card. You charge things on it, keep the balance, pay off the balance, and do it all over again. In terms of how useful it is, it's the same. Then you might wonder why anyone would get a business credit card if it's exactly the same as the personal credit card. Why should you get a credit card for your business? Well, 1. Expense management. No one enjoys doing taxes. It hurts even more if you've been using your personal credit card for business expenses and haven't been keeping track of them. With a business credit card, everything is charged to one card, so you can easily see where your business money is going. All of your expenses can be tracked on one card. This is definitely not any kind of tax advice. You still need to keep your receipts. Having a business credit card makes it much easier to keep track of the expenses. 2. Building a business credit report. The same way that we have credit reports for ourselves, businesses also have credit reports. When you have a big business or when your business is bigger and you're trying to get a loan, they will pull your business's credit report, and you don't want that report to be missing or very thin. Getting an unsecured business loan involves a lot more than just having a business credit card, but this is one step that won't cost you much and could pay off in the long run. 3. They're not reported on your personal credit report. It's important that it doesn't report because, for example, if you have $5,000 or $10,000 in inventory charges on your business credit card, those charges will stay there and won't hurt you. When it comes to our personal credit reports, your credit utilization, which is how much of your total credit you are using compared to how much the credit is given to you, is 30% of your credit score. If you have business charges worth $10,000, $15,000, or $20,000 on your personal credit report, that has a big effect on your personal credit score. In fact, that could really hurt your personal credit score. If you put those charges on a business credit card, however, they won't be reported to the personal credit bureaus, so they can't hurt you. 4. Credit card points. You should try to get as many as possible. With business credit cards, you can speed up that process. Almost all personal credit cards have a business version, which means you have twice as many chances to get sign-up bonuses. For example, the Chase Ink Preferred and the Chase Sapphire Preferred are kind of like cousins. They both have an annual fee of the same amount and a sign-up bonus of 100,000 points. The main difference is that one is for a business and the other is for a person. Now let us break down the top 6 business credit cards available on the marketplace today. Number 6. Chase's Ink Unlimited. This card comes with a sign-up bonus of $750 in cash back if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. The card gives 1.5% cash back on all purchases, no matter how much. The card comes with primary car rental insurance as one of its features and perks. Go ahead and rent a car for work. You don't need any of the extra insurance they try to sell you because your credit card covers it. For a card of this quality, the fact that there is no annual fee is amazing. The other great thing about this card is that it has a 0% intro APR for the first year. And here's how to take advantage of that. If you don't pay interest on your credit card balance, it just means that you can keep a balance. When it comes to running a business, sometimes there are better ways to use your money than paying a credit card bill. However, you must be aware that at the end of the year, you have to pay that thing off in full. Just like we don't want to go into credit card debts for our personal cards, we don't want to go into credit card debt for our business cards. However, if you use a business card to carry a balance, it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. Number 5. Chase's Ink Business Cash. The Chase Ink Business Cash comes with a $750 cashback sign-up bonus after you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. With this card, you can get 5% cash back on the first $25,000 you spend on office supplies, internet, cable, and phone bills. It gives you 2% cash back on the first $25,000 you spend at restaurants and gas stations. In terms of features and benefits, it is very similar to Chase's Ink Unlimited. It has primary car rental insurance, a 0% promotional APR for the first year, and no annual fee. Number 4. American Express's Business Cash. If you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months with this card, you'll get $250 back in cash. This card gives you 2% cash back on the first $50,000 you spend and 1% cash back on everything else you buy. This card comes with expanded buying power from American Express. This just means that they'll look at how you spend, and if you're spending close to your credit limit, they might start expanding that and letting you go over your credit limit. The card also has a 0% intro APR for the first year. Number 3. American Express's Marriott Bonvoy Business. This card is great for people who travel for business and stay at Marriott's. After spending $3,000 in the first 3 months, the sign-up bonus is 75,000 points. It also comes with a $150 statement credit for any purchase made in the first 3 months. The card will give you 6 Marriott points for every dollar you spend at a Marriott property that accepts the card, 4 points for every dollar you spend at restaurants, gas stations, for shipping, or for a wireless phone, and 2 points for everything else. When it comes to features and benefits, this is a great card if you travel a lot and stay at a lot of Marriott properties, which is likely the case for business travelers. Every year, it comes with 15 Elite Night credits. It also gives you a credit for 1 anniversary certificate that you can use to stay for free at a Marriott property. It comes with silver status for free. The card has an annual fee of $125. Again, there's a $150 statement credit. You can offset and only pay $25 for it in the first year. Number 2. American Express's Platinum. If you spend $15,000 in the first 3 months after getting this card, you'll get 100,000 bonus points. If you book your hotel or flight directly through Amex Travel, you'll get 5x points for every dollar you spend, a bonus of 1.5x the amount spent on purchases over $5,000. 1x point for every dollar spent everywhere else. This is a very high-end and travel-focused business card, so most of the features and benefits will relate to travel. This card gives you 35% of all the points back when you pay for airfare with points. It also gives you automatic Marriott Gold Elite status, which is 1 level above Silver and will definitely help you get room upgrades. The card also comes with trip delay insurance. Other perks include access to American Express's Centurion Lounge, the Priority Pass lounges, and a credit for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. The card also comes with cell phone protection for up to $800. All of this comes with a $595 annual fee, which is cheaper than the American Express Platinum. This has a more personal feel than the $695 annual fee. These credits are a little different, but everything else is pretty much the same. Number 1. Chase's Inc. Preferred. The Chase Inc. Preferred comes with a sign-up bonus of 100,000 points if you spend $15,000 in the first 3 months. You also get 3 points for every dollar spent on shipping, advertising, internet, cable, phone service bills, and travel for the first $150,000. One of the benefits of this card is that when you use your Chase Ultimate Rewards points and redeem them through Chase Portal, you get a 25% bonus. With the Chase Inc. Preferred, you can also send your points to one of their partners, in contrast to the Chase Inc. Unlimited and the Chase Inc. Cash, where points could only be redeemed for cash back. Chase Inc. Preferred points can be transferred to airline or hotel partners and then redeemed for more travel. This also comes with cell phone damage protection, which means that if you pay your phone bill with a Chase Inc. Preferred, it will cover any damage or theft up to $600 with a qualifying deductible. Like the other 2 Chase Inc. cards, it also comes with a car rental insurance. All of this comes together in a nice package for an annual fee of $95. Just a side note, Capital One also has business credit cards, but it may not be a good idea to get one because this will show up on your personal credit report. Unless you plan things carefully, it can be a disadvantage to your personal score. That's it again today from CreditWise, and if you want to learn more about your credits or credit cards, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.